Hey everyone, John Henry here, SSFTG. I wanted to give you all a heads up that now we are right around the corner of passing another major milestone here on YouTube. We're approaching the 2,000 subscriber mark. Absolutely incredible. So first, I want to start out by saying how amazing you all are. I'm blown away with the community every day, and I couldn't do any of this without the support of members both here on YouTube and over on the main site of SSFTG. So to show my appreciation for all of you guys tuning in every day and checking out all the content and viewing all the videos and the comments and all the kinds of cool stuff that you guys got going on, I wanted to show my appreciation to you all by starting a new giveaway model going forward. Now that we're approaching that 2,000 subscriber mark, I thought it might be a good time to kind of do something cool, give back to the community a little bit and offer up some opportunities to have a little bit of fun. So with that said, for every 500 subscribers that we add to SSFTG here on YouTube, I will be giving away a 100% off coupon for the Day Trading Academy over on SSFTG. Our full video course, which is 19 plus hours long, totally free. So 100% off coupon, totally free, just for being an awesome subscriber. But here's the thing, I wanted to take it one step further, right? Because a lot of times, some people may already have the Day Trading Academy, or maybe they're a VIP already and they happen to win. So I wanted to make it so that it was broad enough to still allow everyone to participate and still have something cool or fun or exciting happen each time. So taking this one step further, if you already own the DTA, the Day Trading Academy, you are then instead given a 100% off coupon to upgrading to full VIP. So the difference now, you're talking huge value. Not only would you have won about $300 worth of Day Trading Academy, but if you already have the DTA, you get a free upgrade. That's $700 value all the way up to a VIP status. Now, taking this a step further, if you're already a VIP, then you will receive one free one-on-one call with me if you want one. If you don't want to talk to me, that's fine too, but that is an option available to you. If you're already a VIP, you're kind of already at the top of the tier. I can't really do much else other than just offer up a free call. So that way there's still some benefit if you were looking to go that route. But because that's only a value of about $100 for one hour one-on-one call, that doesn't value the giveaway that I'm trying to do here. So we'll take it a step further. If a VIP wins, they will get a one-on-one call, and then we'll start the draw again. We'll start the whole thing over again and redo it until it's finally settled. And that way, even if you're already a VIP, you still get the reward and it goes back into the system, goes back into the drawing for another person to get back in and potentially win inside that cycle, right? That next cycle of the giveaway. Now, with YouTube, to enter the drawing or the giveaway, YouTube doesn't let me just randomly pick from my subscribers. So instead, we're going to have to do it the old-fashioned way, and we're going to have to go back to the comments. So when we have a giveaway, at each giveaway or each milestone, I'll make an announcement video similar to this one, that there will be a giveaway coming up so that you don't miss any chances, because again, it's basically open to everybody at that point. And that's going to be one of the key aspects of this. In order to participate in the giveaway at each milestone, you will have to make a comment on those videos, so I can randomly choose from the comments. But that's going to be the requirements, at least, to participate in the giveaway at each milestone. I'm going to make an announcement video, again, like I said, so that you don't miss any of those opportunities, and that way it caters to all membership tiers. Because it does cater to everyone, though, and it's pretty broad, it's open to everyone, I would strongly recommend getting your comments in those videos, because you are going to have some competition. So that's going to do it for this giveaway video, and this is going to be one of the announcement videos that you're going to need to comment on. So just to clarify, I am going to be doing a giveaway every 500 subscribers. We are going on the 2,000 subscriber mark, and this is really kind of the first giveaway that I've done. That means that I'm behind 4 giveaways, right? So this video, I'm going to leave up a little bit longer. This one's going to be posted until we get to the 2,000 mark, and this will be the video that you're going to want to comment on. So I'll try to keep it pinned in the communities page, and I'll try to make it a little bit more obvious. We're about 60 or so people away from the subscriber mark of hitting 2,000, so it's right around the corner. We don't need a whole lot more to get there. But that way you guys have a little bit of time to participate in the giveaway, because I want everyone to have a fair shot. We're going to be doing 4 giveaways when we hit the 2,000 subscriber mark. But like I said, I'm so thankful for all of you guys. I'm pumped to have you on board on the SSFTG family, whether you just tune in and watch on the YouTube side, or if you're a full-fledged VIP member already. I couldn't do any of this without you, and my appreciation and my thanks all goes out to you guys. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.